If you want to enable Grok 4.20 in Cursor AI, this video will walk you through the process in a simple, quick, and beginner-friendly way. This is a great setup if you want to explore a new model inside Cursor and make your workflow more flexible when coding, testing ideas, or generating responses. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Cursor AI and go straight into the settings area. You can usually do this by clicking the gear icon inside the app. That gear icon is where Cursor keeps most of its configuration options. So once you find it, click it to open the settings panel. After the settings panel opens, look for the section labeled Models. This is where Cursor lets you choose or manage the AI models available in the app. Since we're trying to enable Grok 4.20, this is the exact section you need to focus on. Once you're in the Models area, look for Grok 4.20 in the list of available models. Depending on your version of Cursor and how your account is set up, the model may already be visible but simply turned off, or it may appear as an option you can activate. If you see a toggle next to Grok 4.20, just switch it on. That toggle is the key step here. Turning it on tells Cursor that you want to use Grok 4.20 as part of your available model options. After that, the model should be enabled and ready to use inside the app, depending on your access and account permissions. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to check the rest of the models list carefully. Sometimes options are grouped, and you may need to scroll a little bit to find the exact model. Also, make sure you're in the right account and that your Cursor installation is up to date, because model availability can change based on app version and account features. Once Grok 4.20 is enabled, you can return to your workspace and start using it in Cursor AI, just like any other available model. This is especially useful if you're comparing model performance, trying different coding styles, or experimenting with which model works best for your tasks. And that's really all there is to it. Open Cursor settings, go to Models, and turn on the Grok 4.20 toggle. It's a fast process, but knowing exactly where to look saves time and helps you get back to building faster. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.